Experience crystal clear HD television with the best indoor TV antenna. Say goodbye to cable bills and enjoy a wide range of channels with easy installation. Get ready for high-quality entertainment right in the comfort of your own home. All mentioned products links in the description. Mohu Leaf Supreme Pro. The Mohu Leaf Supreme Pro is hailed as the top indoor TV antenna, celebrated for its chunky design boasting a massive surface area that attracts an extensive range of channels. With an integrated amplifier and a signal strength meter, it excels in providing optimal channel reception, outperforming many competitors with over 40 usable channels. Despite its slightly bulkier form, it proves worth the space, requiring a simple unrolling for effective use. Additionally, the convenience of a removable coax cable and a 3-foot USB power cable for the amplifier adds to its appeal. Ideal for suburban areas, this antenna is a robust choice for those seeking enhanced channel options without compromising on quality. WineGuard Elite 7550. The WineGuard Elite 7550 stands out as the optimal outdoor antenna, offering unparalleled reception and delivering an impressive 73 channels, making it the go-to choice for outdoor installations. Despite a slightly higher cost, the WineGuard Elite 7550 proves its worth by outperforming indoor models, pulling in more channels with superior signals. It becomes a cost-effective solution, providing dozens of channels without the monthly subscription fees. Its key features include exceptional reception, effective interference suppression, and a sturdy construction, although some users may note a somewhat loose build and the inclusion of a plastic roof mount. Overall, it's a reliable investment for enhanced and consistent TV reception. Antop Smart Bar. The Antop Smart Bar revolutionizes TV viewing with its professional-grade indoor antenna that captures free local digital TV signals in stunning clarity. Its Smart Boost system and adjustable dial ensure optimal signal reception, while dual connectivity accommodates multiple devices. The 4th-generation long-term evolution filter reduces interference from wireless signals, offering noise-free TV reception within an impressive 80-mile range. The sleek black design complements any interior, offering versatile placement options. With a 2-output signal amplifier, wall-mountable 30-inch bar, and interference reduction, it's a top-tier choice. Ideal for homes relying on over-the-air channels, the Antop Smart Bar delivers a crystal-clear, high-definition TV experience, making it a smart and stylish upgrade for any entertainment setup. Mohu Leaf Plus. The Mohu Leaf Plus is a cable-cutting powerhouse, offering a simple solution for those looking to save money without sacrificing quality. With a 60-mile range and optimized dimensions, it delivers full 1080p high-definition signals, including popular channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, and Fox. Installation is a breeze with included accessories, and its paintable and reversible design seamlessly integrates into any room. The 15-decibel signal strength boost eliminates interference, providing crystal-clear audio and picture quality. Whether wall-mounted behind a TV or in an RV, its ultra-lightweight and compact build make placement versatile. The Mohu Leaf Plus transforms your home entertainment experience, ensuring maximum power from every broadcasted signal while freeing you from expensive cable and satellite subscriptions. Antenna's Direct Clearstream Eclipse. The Antenna's Direct Clearstream Eclipse sets a new standard for indoor TV antennas, combining top-tier performance with effortless installation. Its paper-thin design, featuring a patented loop, eliminates the need for tools, making setup a breeze. Jolt technology ensures green installation without sacrificing performance, providing clear HD 1080i video from local broadcast channels up to 50 miles away in any direction. Ideal for modern homes, it offers multi-directional reception and can be easily mounted on a wall or window using peel-and-stick strips. The 15-decibel inline amplifier draws power through a USB cable connected to your TV, requiring no external power source. With a 12-foot coaxial cable and a quick 2-minute installation, this antenna delivers exceptional performance and longevity. Channel Master Flatenna. The Channel Master Flatenna offers a convenient solution for capturing your favorite TV shows and radio programs without the need for rooftop installations. Perfect for apartments or condos lacking a cable outlet, this dual-sided strain relief antenna boasts a 90-degree elbow on each side for easy wall or window mounting. With a 35-mile radius coverage, it ensures comprehensive signal reception, particularly in urban environments. The ultra-thin design, only 17% thicker than a standard paperclip, discreetly fits behind your TV or high up on a wall, minimizing visual clutter. The Quad Shield broadcast quality ensures durability, meeting stringent product requirements. With its sleek black or white finish, it seamlessly blends into any environment, making it an ideal choice for expanding your watching options in your living room or bedroom. Clearstream Max V. The Clearstream Max V DTV antenna stands out as a robust solution for indoor and outdoor use, boasting excellent station reception, even surpassing pricier alternatives. Rated for capturing stations up to 60 miles away, it excels in improving TV reception and proves to be among the best antennas available. Its versatility allows for various installation options, from roof mounting to attic placement. However, its figure 8 design may not be aesthetically pleasing in living rooms, and it's essential to note that the necessary cable is not included. In summary, the Clearstream Max V offers reliable reception both indoors and outdoors, making it a competitive choice for those prioritizing performance. 1BYONE Digital. The 1BY1 Digital Amplified Indoor HD TV Antenna is our top pick for the best budget indoor TV antenna. This budget-friendly gem has gained popularity as an Amazon bestseller. While the Amazon listing may boast a 200-mile range, a more realistic estimate from the company's website suggests a 50-mile reach. The sweet spot for optimal performance seems to be between 15 and 30 miles, making it ideal for urban apartment dwellers. With easy setup and compatibility with high-speed internet, this antenna caters to your cord-cutting needs, offering a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. Join the cord-cutting wave affordably with the 1BY1 antenna. GE Ultra Pro Hover Bar. The GE Ultra Pro Hover Bar claims the spot on our list, offering universal TV compatibility and high-definition digital reception for major channels. Its innovative design provides versatile mounting options to optimize signal reception, ensuring a vivid display for TV shows, sports, and news in HD. With a range of up to 55 miles from local broadcast towers, this antenna is suitable for indoor and outdoor use in various weather conditions. Its unique design can be mounted above your TV, featuring an inline signal amplifier for a 55-mile reception range, superior reception for VHF and UHF signals, and pure amp technology for enhanced signal strength. While lacking wall-mounting templates, the GE Ultra Pro Hover Bar remains an affordable and powerful choice for accessing HD and even 4K channels. Antop 800 SPS HD Smart Panel Antenna. The Antop 800 SPS HD Smart Panel Antenna secures its position as the top combo indoor-outdoor antenna. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it outperforms many counterparts with exceptional performance. With an impressive range of 85 miles, this antenna excels outdoors, pulling in approximately 65 to 70 watchable stations. The package includes a 40-foot cable for easy installation, and the adjustable amplifier allows you to fine-tune the power boost for optimal station reception. The antenna also comes with a tabletop stand for indoor use, showcasing its versatility. For those serious about cord cutting, the Antop 800 SPS stands out as the best choice for an indoor-outdoor antenna, offering top-notch performance and flexibility. Thanks for watching.